So now, before I cut the linoleum and cut my knuckles, I'm going to take a hammer, drive all these brad nails, and just literally move the hammer along sideways like that to find them. Go right up against the wall. Alright, the problem has been, this has been leaking down here and it caused it to go bad around there. Somehow they decided a piece of plastic would fix things, but it didn't. So that's what caused our issue, and that's what we're going to fix. See you in a bit.